I think we become body and fender guys and we get that dent out of there. Shop truck's back in the shop today. So today's goal is to have like the front end put together. We got cowl, we got fenders, we got a grill, we got a bumper, we got a whole table full of parts that need to go on this truck. So let's get going and see what we can get put on today. I put some mufflers on this truck and I do not love how they sound. So I chose these mufflers for this truck. I've never used these mufflers before. Hello! That's a straight through open design. That should sound good. These are my old V-Force mufflers that I had on my 65. I had them on a bunch of different things. They're going on this truck.
It'll make it sound way better. Can't
sound worse.
Yeah.
I hate the way that those Black Widow mufflers sound. I might as well have a glass pack on it.
I think a glass pack is better than a...
It might be. They're not good. I don't like them. Get her up, man, and let's
Look at all the...
Man, I tucked those in there real nice. I wish they didn't sound terrible.
Could unfold them right here. Cut them off here.
Those are not centers.
It'd work better though because you have this bend right here. You could just straighten it.
Yeah, you're probably right. I probably could if I went center in.
What's their inlet and outlets though?
No, I'm looking. We'll go look and see what else I got out here. Yeah. Same difference. That's what this has on it.
They sound pretty good.
It sounds better than that sounds. Which do I go? This is like a Flowmaster knockoff sound. This is like a knockoff MagnaFlow sound.
How are they gonna look? A little bigger.
Not really, they're pretty much exact.
Probably gonna have to end up rebending this little pipe. Or just unbolt it.
I think I can manage leaving it, I think. I don't know.
How are you gonna weld that?
It's gonna suck. I welded it once right there.
True.
The problem is it's got my dang hangers on it right there and right there. This is not fun.
Just so you know, we got a lot of parts for this truck.
Hi, I'm aware.
Because we got bumper, 2 fenders, cowl, blinkers, the other headlight buckets, grill, interior parts.
Do we have circled headlights up there?
Yeah.
I think we do. We have a bunch of
We have
circled
headlights
headlights.
put in it.
Sweet.
Are those the 4-inch ones or the 6?
No, 7.5.
Oh, they're 7.5.
All right, the laziness in me has kicked in. I've decided I'm not cutting those off today. Someday I'm cutting them off, but it's not today. We're gonna go ahead and get all the parts that we have put on this rig, start getting it to look like it should look, and then we'll, okay, we still got tons of money to spend on this by the time I get AC and all the stuff that goes with it. But for now, we're gonna get this done. We're on to the second fender going on right now. Jace is whipping and spurring here. You winning, buddy?
No.
Yeah.
Back.
He should have put some clips in first that he didn't put in. Landon, he's back here. Hey, look at that. That's one real live reverse light right there. 2 reverse lights.
It seemed to be tail light.
Things are happening here. We'll get all the lights put in this thing. Get a front window put in this. We might actually be able to drive it around a little bit. Wonder if all these lights are gonna work.
That's a 90% chance.
75% of the time, it works every time. Name that movie.
60% of the time, it works every time.
All right, Lance just informed me that, but the back won't fit because we have this dent in it right there. So I think we become body and fender guys and we get that dent out of there. What's our odds?
Ruin the bed.
Oh, yeah, that's what you think I'm gonna do?
No, I'm just saying that's the odds.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get out of there. You just wait and see. Get some of it, I think. See what that looks like. Push it out. little, didn't it?
A little. Pushing it out more and more. Enough to get that light to fit.
Ooh, we're getting closer.
Ooh, started to hold right there a little bit.
I pushed her out a little more.
So dang close. I think it's kind of a pain in the butt, man.
I don't know.
It's this roll right here. It needs to just come back. We're good everywhere other than
Right there.
I think that's it, my friend. It's not the greatest bodywork that's ever been bodyworked, but light fits in it. Got the cowl piece in here. We don't have any of the bolts to put it in screws. We'll go find us some screws, and we need some for the tail lights. So we'll run down to the old hardware store, find the screws we need to bolt that back together, get the hood setting on it. Somehow, I know you guys you're gonna be shocked, but I've lost the pieces that I bought that bolt into the side here and hook the grill in. I don't know where I've lost them. They got ordered the exact same time this piece did. I have it, I don't have the others, so I don't know. We'll find them. Just pulling into the store. We'll see if they got some bolts. All right. Let me check and see what size it is. 832 is what we're after. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those at 30 cents a piece. That was easier than hunting through our stuff, wasn't it?
Uh-huh.
All right, now we just got to find some self-tappers. And we got it. Right there. I think that's what we need. Those ones they're not really self-tappers, there's already holes, so. Okay, we're accomplished. Let's go back to the shop and put them together. All right, let's go see if all this makes our parts fit. Gonna have all the lights.
That'll be good.
Look at that. We're getting there. Let's see if that's close. That's gotta move over.
The whole system. Can that adjust the actual handle?
We're gonna find out. Gotta go over.
Could we move the hood over itself?
I don't know. I have to do something.
Because the whole gap on this side's super wide.
Is it?
Yeah.
She's close.
It's not terrible. How's it on that side?
The problem, it needs to go
This one more.
that way
Oh,
to get
this
it
one's
right.
not bad. There he goes.
Had the gap a little better.
It's not terrible.
Way high. We need to adjust the hinge in the back down.
Loosen the whole setup and drop it.
9/16.
Sweet.
Okay. Let's see if we can.
How does it work?
I think it does.
Like that.
Right like that.
Dude. Way too nice for this truck.
We're just missing those little pieces to bolt this in right here. Gonna look good. Let's get the lights bolted in to here. All right, set it back up here. Let's get those put in. These bolt into there.
Did they come with screws?
I mean, that's how they're held together.
Should have. All right, Jason's moving to the inside. He's gonna take the door panel off. We've got some new latches to go on here. Plus this one's missing some bolts. We gotta go scavenge some bolts, get the door to shut like it should properly. This door's terrible. We may end up putting some doors on it at some point, but not this point. We're gonna get a seat mounted up in it today too. See if we can build some brackets for that. And then steering, we need to get a tilt wheel put in it, get that handled, and then we can strip the whole inside of it. And then we're ready to sand this thing and go to tape everything up, pull the front window out, and paint the sucker. And then I can drive the wheels off of it. Things are looking good now. My favorite grill. So we don't have, I can't find the side pieces to bolt this in tight. I reordered them. As soon as they get here, then we'll be able to buckle this all in tight. We gotta go down to find headlight bezels. We gotta go round some more parts up. Now we got the grill in there, we can get the bumper put on. She's gonna start looking like a truck. We'll get mirrors on it today, maybe a seat put in it. We'll see where we end.
Dad and Jace are working on the door over there. I'm gonna get the front bumper mounted, see how good it looks. Because it's got the grill on it. It'll look even better with the front bumper on it.
I said, are you winning?
Yeah.
Look,
I got 2 more bolts to tighten down, and then I gotta get these top mounts back on the frame.
So I've been over here putting mirrors on. Cute little mirrors, just nut zerted the door. We gotta go get some taper bolts, and then we'll have mirrors on either side of it. We're whittling down. Len just got the last bumper bolt put in. I like it, it's looking pretty good. But if I wouldn't have lost those stupid end pieces, we'd have the front of this buttoned up. We gotta burn down to the cars, find some parts so we can put headlights in it. And then I think the hood fits terrible. That hood, they're sending us a new hood because they bent it. And fact is, it just doesn't fit. I don't know what they got going, but I think we'll tear the seat out, see if we can best make some seat brackets and put the new one in it. So we'll show you.
This is our main target right now. Is it just a universal bench seat?
Yeah, kind of. We might have to do some work to make it fit where we want it to fit. I just went shopping and found the cheapest decent seat I could come up with.
Okay.
All right. We may have to do some bolting and welding to get those to go on here, and we'll see how it works in here. But that's going to be quite nice inside
nice
the truck.
And too nice for this truck.
Oh, this truck's going to be super nice here shortly. Once we get the inside cleaned out and painted, and all the new dash and the AC hanging in it, this truck's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
Soon we'll have all those parts done. I gotta get some vintage air coming and get that mounted. Once we get it cleaned and painted, then we'll hang the vintage air. Because the compressor's already on it, on the motor, so I like that.
That looks good. Hopefully it's comfortable.
We're gonna find out here in a minute. All right, we're gonna test fit this seat, see how it goes in this truck. It'll look pretty good in there. Let's see, I think, let me put this side on real quick. The back's kind of not where I wanted it, but it might still do everything that we need. Probably gonna have to do some work. What's your front one? Are you flush?
Yeah, it's flush.
And you're sideways on that. We just have to make sure we're side to side where we need it. And then we gotta figure the back out, how it's gonna mount. Front needs to be up more. I want the seat to touch me right there. It's not terrible, but it needs some, oh yeah, we're putting a different wheel in it, but it needs some more bolster. That needs, or not bolster, it needs more rake. And it might be we just drop the back down.
Well, if we did that, what we could do,
Just take that thing off.
cut that one.
Yeah,
flush.
and then set this thing right on the top of it and weld it on. That is mint. Let's take that seat out and we'll cut that off.
Yeah, if we just cut those back mounts off,
I agree.
then it'll be cherry.
We chop those right off. We can just set that other thing right on the top of there and weld it on. Grab a death wheel. We'll give them a death wish. So we needed the front of the seat to go up with the back down. This rise right here isn't working for us anyways. We're just gonna cut it off and we'll weld our seat tab to the top of this. Should be fairly painless. One down, cut the other one off. We're gonna weld right into those. I think they're pretty close. How's that?
That looks pretty good.
Get your front one down on it. It's not, your back one's not right. How does that feel in there?
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh yeah, that's cruiser status. Let me see the door. I feel like the seat's farther that way. Shut your door. How much gap you got? I don't know. That much? Yeah, mine's about my fist width. Pretty close. Alright, now it's just a matter of squaring it up, welding it in, and go driving. Alright, we're gonna see if we can not catch this brand new seat on fire. We're just gonna tack these in, pull the seat out, weld everything in permanent like, but gotta tack it first. That should stay. Pull this across and we'll weld the other one.
Should be pretty good now.
I'll weld the rest of that in there and call it good. Maybe the last time for today. Still coming all back out when we paint it. And it's actually not terrible.
Doesn't look too bad at all.
All right. Seat handled. We'll take that. The grill's almost done. We need to get the headlight bucket still figured out.
Fenders,
But
bumper.
man, all in all, today's gone pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed it. The truck's not done, but we're about ready to blow it apart and paint it.
Wait, we're gonna blow it up?
Oh yeah. So I hope you guys liked it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.